Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. This is the chili pepper plant that I bought at the supermarket for a discounted price of only about $2. Today, I will try replanting and caring for this plant using a simple method with familiar kitchen ingredients, even things that many people usually throw away without thinking. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to recover and replant a chili pepper plant to help it establish roots more quickly, reduce transplant shock, and grow healthier over time. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you will not miss any planting tips on the Great Garden channel. Let us begin. First, gently remove the plant from the soil pot. This helps you inspect the entire condition of the root system and quickly detect rotten, dry, or damaged roots for timely treatment. In addition, removing the plant from the pot also helps eliminate old soil that has become compacted and accumulated fungal diseases after a long period of use, creating conditions for the root system to grow more healthily after replanting. Next, thoroughly rinse the plant under running water. At this stage, you need to clean the entire root system and the base of the plant carefully to remove old soil, dirt, and damaged root parts still attached. This cleaning process helps the root system become more airy, limits fungal diseases, and allows you to easily observe and treat rotten or damaged roots before replanting. After that, place the plant in a dry and airy location, avoiding direct sunlight or only allowing gentle sunlight exposure. This helps the cut surfaces and root system dry naturally, limiting the risk of fungal infection or root rot after treatment. While waiting for the plant to dry, we will prepare an organic fertilizer solution for the plant. The first ingredient I use is banana peel. Banana peels contain a large amount of potassium, phosphorus, and natural minerals that help stimulate root growth, support healthier plant development, and help leaves become greener. First, I cut the banana peels into small slices as shown in the video. This helps the nutrients in the banana peels release more easily during soaking or steeping, helping the plant absorb nutrients more effectively during use. In addition, when cut into small pieces, the banana peels also decompose more quickly, helping release potassium, phosphorus, and natural minerals necessary for the plant. These nutrients play an important role in stimulating root growth, helping leaves become greener and healthier, and supporting more stable plant development. Next, place all of the banana peels into a clean glass cup. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Pour 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup containing the banana peels to help the nutrients and natural minerals in the banana peels release more quickly during soaking. Use a spoon to stir the solution evenly so the nutrients distribute uniformly throughout the water and improve effectiveness when used for the plant. Finally, close the lid and steep the solution for 2 hours so the nutrients in the banana peels can be extracted to the maximum level. After 2 hours, when the banana peel solution has cooled, I filter out the residue and keep only the pure liquid. This liquid is a natural nutrient source rich in potassium and minerals, helping stimulate healthy plant development, support root growth, and help the leaves become greener and healthier. Do not rush to throw the banana peels into the trash because we will use them in the next step. Add 500 milliliters of clean room temperature water to dilute the solution. At this stage, we can already use the solution for the plant. First, pour this banana peel solution into a clean cup. Next, after the chili pepper plant has dried, I soak the entire root system of the plant in this solution. Soaking the banana peel, solution helps the root system absorb natural nutrients such as potassium and essential minerals, thereby stimulating new root growth and helping the plant recover more quickly. Soak the plant for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, lift the plant out of the banana peel solution and place it in a dry and airy location so the plant can rest and dry naturally. This helps the root system have time to absorb nutrients from the solution, while also allowing the root surface to dry gently before planting into new soil, limiting the risk of root rot or fungal infection. I will gently pour the remaining solution into a specialized spray bottle and store it in the refrigerator. This helps preserve the solution longer, limits overly rapid fermentation, and keeps the natural nutrients in the solution more stable for future use on the plant. While waiting, I will prepare the soil for the plant. Remember to wear gloves to maintain hygiene during the soil preparation process. First, prepare a pot of loose soil like this. Next, prepare some clean processed coconut coir. After that, mix about 30% coconut coir and 70% planting soil together. Coconut coir has excellent moisture retention ability, helping the soil avoid drying too quickly and creating a favorable environment for healthier root development. In addition, coconut coir also helps the soil become more airy, limiting root suffocation and waterlogging. Meanwhile, the planting soil provides minerals and nutrients necessary for stable plant development, while also helping the root system anchor more firmly during growth. Combining these two materials creates a growing medium that both retains moisture well and drains water effectively, helping the roots absorb oxygen, water, and nutrients more effectively, thereby supporting healthier plant growth and limiting root rot. The next step is preparing a pot as shown in the video. This pot is designed with many ventilation holes and drainage holes underneath, helping air circulate better around the root system. Now, we will begin replanting the plant. First, fill the pot completely with the prepared soil mixture, as shown in the video. This loose growing medium creates a favorable environment for the root system to develop healthily, while also helping the plant absorb water and nutrients more effectively. In addition, filling the soil evenly throughout the pot also helps stabilize the plant better after planting, limiting leaning or roots becoming exposed during development. Next, dig a deep hole as shown in the video. Digging a sufficiently deep hole helps the root system have more space to develop strongly, while also encouraging roots to grow deeper downward instead of remaining shallow on the soil surface. After that, I place the banana peels from earlier into the bottom of the hole. These banana peels act as a natural organic fertilizer source, supplying potassium and many essential minerals for the plant during growth. As they gradually decompose in the soil, the banana peels help improve soil looseness, support healthier root development, and help the plant absorb nutrients steadily over a long period of time. Next, I add a small amount of coffee grounds. The natural nitrogen in coffee grounds helps the plant develop greener foliage while also improving soil looseness, so the root system can develop more favorably. After that, I add a small amount of crushed eggshells. Eggshells contain natural calcium that helps the root system become healthier, limits root rot, and supports stronger plant growth during development. Finally, I cover everything with a thin layer of soil so the ingredients gradually blend into the soil and provide stable nutrients for the plant over time. After that, gently place the plant into the hole and proceed with replanting. Finally, gently fill the hole with more soil to stabilize the root system and help the plant stand more firmly inside the pot. During the soil filling process, do not compact the soil too tightly because this can make the soil suffocating and negatively affect root development. Keeping the soil loose helps the roots absorb water, oxygen, and nutrients more effectively. That is it. We have successfully replanted the plant. At this stage, use clean water to gently water around the base of the chili pepper plant. This helps the soil and root system bond together more firmly, while also providing the necessary moisture for the plant to stabilize quickly after replanting. In addition, the water also helps the root system adapt more easily to the new soil environment, limits transplant shock, and supports faster recovery during the first days. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Place the plant in a dry and airy location for 3 to 5 days. This helps the plant have time to adapt to the new environment, reduces transplant shock, and creates conditions for the root system to recover more steadily. After 5 days, remove the banana peel solution from the refrigerator and spray it evenly over the entire chili pepper plant, from the stem and base to the leaves. Spraying the banana peel solution helps the plant absorb additional natural nutrients such as potassium and essential minerals, supporting faster recovery after replanting. In addition, these nutrients also help the leaves become greener and healthier, strengthen the stem, and stimulate stronger root development, helping the plant grow more steadily in the next stage. Results. After 2 months, from a small chili pepper plant purchased for only $2, the plant has now developed much more strongly and healthily. The leaves that were once small and weak have now become dark green, thicker, and shinier. New young leaves continuously emerge, develop evenly, and help the plant photosynthesize more effectively, thereby promoting rapid growth. Especially, the plant has begun producing more flowers with healthy flower buds developing evenly. This is a sign that the plant is entering a strong growth stage and will likely produce many fruits in the near future. From a very small chili pepper plant at the beginning, after a period of proper care and natural nutrient supplementation, the plant has now recovered strongly and developed full of vitality. If you found this content useful, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications to follow more simple but effective orchid care methods. See you again in the next videos.